everybody. This is Miss Kennedy. I am your math teacher, and I'm going to show you how to do word problems. Okay? So, do you remember these word problems? So, this is one way to do your word problems. Okay? So, one way is the ABSJ. Okay? A is for analysis, P is for planning, S is for solve the problem, and J is for justify your answer. Okay, so I don't know why this camera, I'm sorry. Okay, so these are the 4 steps you need to do for a word problem. When you read the problem, first of all, you need to think about analyzing what the problem says, and you need to really think about the information that you're getting from that word problem. Your planning is, what are you going to do? Are you going to add? Are you going to subtract, multiply, divide? Is it about measuring time, distance? What is the problem asking you to do? And then the solution is where you actually do the work in your notebook. You actually do the operation, and then justification is when you check your answer. That's when you justify why you think that's the right answer. Okay? Okay, very good. Another way, if you don't want to follow, if you forget this APSJ, I love the APSJ. Okay, this is another, these are the steps like this. I'm going to give you some time. You can check them. I'm going to be putting this in the Google Classroom. Materials. Number 1, read and understand what you're reading, okay? Because a lot of times we're not understanding what we're reading. So make sure you read it and read it as many times as you need. Number 2, find your important data, okay? Whatever it's important there that they're telling you, write it down, rewrite it, copy, like if they're talking about apples, any numbers, days of the week, how many days, any important information, how many people were sharing the cookie. You need to analyze very well how many of what and what you need to find out. So I love word problems because it's like a riddle that you need to solve, okay? And then number 3, it says, think what you need to do and which operation to do. Do you need to add? Do you need to subtract? Do you need to multiply, divide? Okay, so number 3 is think about what you're going to do. It's the same than the ASPAJ. You have to think about what you're going to do, okay? And then do it in your notebook. That's why in a paper or in a dry erase board. And then number 4, it's about do the work, and number 5, check your answer, okay? So that's for with most word problems, is your ability to read, to understand what you're reading. If there is a word that you don't understand, what are you going to do? Use the dictionary, okay? You can use the Google Dictionary, you can use a paper dictionary. And also with word problems, make sure, because sometimes they're tricky, sometimes they're asking you what is not the answer, okay? With multiple choice questions, there's always one answer that one is the right one, the other 3 are not. Okay, well, that's all for today on word problems. I'll see you next time in another video. So make sure you click on my like and subscribe button. This is my children channel that is called Blue Orb, and that's because of my son Billy. So so this is going to be my children channel for teaching, and I'm going to be teaching other things. So I'll see you in the next. Bye.